My name is Kelsey, and I'm the theater director and fine arts department chairman here at Madison Consolidated High School. This is my 18th year. I think I've done about 66 different productions, all different titles, straight plays and musicals. We've used to rent painted backdrops or create painted backdrops, and would have 3 or 4 for our biggest musicals. And those can get costly in renting, and then just the worry of wear and tear on them when you're renting them, not having them until right before the show, shipping them back, and then, with the LED screen, then we can have animated backdrops, and it's just a more modern look that the more modern audiences are used to seeing. This will allow for a lot faster scene changes too. I've noticed in more modern scripts that we license, they give maybe 10 or 30 seconds for a scene change compared to the older shows like Oklahoma or the older shows from the 40s, 50s, 60s. They had built-in time for a scene change, and now it is almost instant. So sometimes we have to add music for those scene changes or to be able to get things on or off, but this will definitely help us in those seamless transitions between scenes. And we can choose, we can do more traditional static looking images that companies have available, or we can do animated drops. I really like the additional LED lighting because we don't have to mess with gels anymore. And that was harder with students as our fixtures are dead hung, so either having a ladder or using a lift is an ideal situation for students. From the very first, Circle City Audio has been very helpful in us finding what we wanted with budget in mind. They even took us to another school, set that up for us to look at the product that they had, and then they gave us several different options to choose from. So that's been very helpful. And then once we were working on the install, they did training with some of our volunteers, so we know how to use the new equipment. So all that's been appreciated. Circle City Audio has been great to work with. They've been on time and fulfilled everything they said they were going to do. So I would recommend them to others. I know it's hard to, for some schools to find the perfect company to work with on something like an auditorium. It's such a specialized facility. So they've been great in offering their knowledge and